opening the SMIB model file. The parameters entered in generator corresponds to 2.2 model, that is full-blown model for a synchronous generator. Also, the initial load is assigned to be 0.9 per unit. Since we have already verified the connections, we'll directly proceed to data file creation. So the data file folder is generated there. Selecting the folder and performing load flow analysis first. Again selecting the folder, but now performing eigenvalue analysis. Complex conjugate mode is present there with a damping factor of 0.047 and frequency of 1.17 Hz. So let's try changing the model of generator, that is our case 2, with the modification listed in the manual. The same diagram we can perceive as 1.1 model. Again creating the data files. So the data file is updated. Selecting the folder, but now directly performing the trace mode, that is eigenvalue analysis. Earlier we had a damping factor of 0.047, but now the damping factor is 0.042. Frequency is more or less same, but it signifies that for the 1.1 model considered, the damping factor reduced. Note, system settings haven't been manipulated. Now proceeding to the classical model, that is 0.0 model for synchronous generator. So making specified adjustments. Now saving the file and then updating the data files. Selecting the data file folder and now again performing trace mode analysis or the eigenvalue analysis. So one can observe the frequency remains more or less same, but the damping factor have vanished, almost negligible. So it signifies an undamped oscillation. So let's perform the transient stability analysis and visualize the effect of undamped nature. Opening the model file again and setting appropriate variables for the generator block. For the classical model, that is 0.0 model, with any perturbation in the system behaves as if it is oscillatory. So with the eigenvalue analysis, we have observed the damping factor as almost negligible there.